All right, here it is, the star of today's show. 2 lugs. Do you know what a lug is? All right, you asked for it and you got it. Today, we're on a trek to find some grapes. I want to show you how to make wine from grapes. So many of you have asked for it, and it's here.
I can't be with you, you can't be true. And I know just what I got to do. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as...
Now, a lot of you have asked, why don't I make wine from grapes? Well, I'm going to tell you, because they're hard to get in my area. I've contacted many vineyards close to where I live, and they won't sell you the grapes because they make more profit from selling the wine. So they keep all the grapes from themselves. But I found a place that sells grapes, and that's what this video is about. I want to take you to a place called S&S Wine Grapes and Equipment Company. They're great because they ship in tons and tons of grapes from California, and they're located in Maryland, which is close to where I live. So we're going to get in the truck and go down and pick up some grapes. Wait till you see this place. I can't wait to show you. All right, and I just want to say a shout out to the Sedanos who let us come through their factory and their produce stand. How they get all this in here, you're going to see all kinds of grapes in this video. And behind the scenes, the warehouse part. And the Sedanos who own the company have been working in the produce business since 1935. And by 1960, they were shipping train cars of grapes from California to their location in Maryland. 216 tons of grapes in the months of September and October. That's crazy, right? And now the company is in their 3rd generation. And now they're up to 323 tons of grapes they're getting shipped in from California. Is that insane or what? 323? I think I got a ton coming. I put my order in last week, so I'm hoping they got it ready. We just need to get in the truck and get down there. And make sure you're checking out their website. They have now 36 different varieties of grapes. You can't find it there. You ain't gonna find it anywhere. Now, their grapes are coming all over California, from Napa Valley to Sonoma County and 6 other counties in the state of California, the Golden State. And I'm hoping, because the weather is bad, there's a hurricane coming up the coast. If you lived on the East Coast where I do, you're getting tons of rain today. They got a tasting today. They said bring a bottle of wine, so I just put one of my cards on here, but I'll put links in the description for their website and their phone number and their contact info. So we just made our way about an hour and 10 minutes from Pennsylvania down to Glen Burnie, Maryland, close to that, to S&S Wine Grapes. And we're here to pick up what?
75 pounds of grapes.
75 pounds. 2 lugs. Do you know what a lug is?
No.
A lug is 36 pounds of grapes. We got 2 different kinds. We need to go in there and pick them up and head back and start this wine. All right, here we are picking our wine grapes up. You can see people standing in line, coming from all over to get these grapes. All right, look at all these grapes here. Here's the Zinfandel straight from California. Ah, look, more. We're here to pick up 2 lugs of grapes today. I can't wait to show you. Oh, there is plenty of grapes here to see today. I don't know if we're gonna make it for the wine tasting, but I at least wanted to show you how big this place is. You see all these grapes? There's 46 different varieties in here. Oh, and they got your grape juices already here if you don't want to pick the grapes off. But look at this. This is a refrigerated room. If you want to get wine grapes for your wine and you live on the East Coast, this might be the place to come. Look at all this. Grapes from all the way to the ceiling. S&S grapes. Oh, I wonder where mine are. Uva de Calina. This is incredible. This was worth the drive to see all these grapes. Premium California grape juice. This is what you make wine out of. Another variety, Valley Beauty premium grape juice. I'll tell you one thing, it's cold in here. They will not spoil in here for sure. And did I mention, they now sell equipment there, and I'm getting low on corks, so I'll be picking some of them up today. Oh, look at all these grapes we got today. This is gonna be fun. All right, we just got back from S&S Wine Grapes and equipment. Look at all these grapes we got. This is a lug of grapes, and this is another lug. And what kind are they?
Chardonnay and Merlot.
Chardonnay and Merlot. And we're going to show you how to make wine from any grapes. That's the next video coming up, and you don't want to miss it. And don't miss our, what? Instagram pages. Yeah. Follow us on there, because you would have known this video was coming up with some behind the scenes stuff.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna take my own road, and I'm sorry, baby, you can't go. Gotta hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Gotta hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Well, I know you say you're sorry.
Until next time, make sure you're
Liking, subscribing, and clicking the notification bells.
oh yeah, let's just get peeling some of these or picking them, whatever you do.
Gonna hit the ground running, baby.